Hello everyone and welcome to TalentSprint. In this video, I am going to take you through the TalentSprint's exam prep platform and help you understand how can this be useful in your preparation for various competitive exams. So at the outset, let me first log into my free account. Here we go. So I have now logged into my free user account of TalentSprint, and here what you see on the screen is the dashboard of that account. And as you can observe on the left hand side of the screen, we have got various courses, starting with the study plans that we have for different exams: quantitative aptitude, general intelligence and reasoning, English language, current affairs, general awareness in banking, general knowledge, and so on. We also have courses on descriptive paper and interview guidance for these exams. What you see on the right hand side of the dashboard here are some quick links which will help you access practice tests, notifications, events calendar, the results of top performers, success stories, and the help center easily. Let me now take you into one of these courses and explain how to use it for your benefit. So let's check the quantitative aptitude course. So we are now into the quantitative aptitude course. Now as you can see on the top, we have got some options here. The first one being the course itself. So it has got a lot of course content which we will go through, followed by the student discussion forum where you can post your queries and help other students by answering their questions. Then we have the live sessions tab where all the live sessions for quantitative aptitude will be conducted. And of course, there's a button for upgrading yourself to advanced coaching and unlocking all the logged content here so that you can prepare like the exam toppers. Now, within this quantitative aptitude course, you see that there's a panel on the left which has got all the topics covered under this, starting with speed math, simplifications, approximations, number system, LCM and HCF, number series, and so on. Right? It goes on till the end where we have topics from trigonometry, height and distance, and various concepts of geometry. Now, as you can observe, each topic here, let's say averages, has been divided into three sections. Section number one, basic, where we have all the basic concepts covered from averages. Now these concepts are really very useful for getting started with your preparation, and all this is openly available for you all, right? It is free content and you can access all the videos and the material that we have inside this basic content. What we have next here as the two sections are advanced section and the and more section. So the advanced section covers all the advanced concepts and the latest pattern questions, whereas the and more sections takes care of the additional examples that you can practice for maximizing your preparation. Now let me go to this basic section of averages. So as you see, now we are into the basic section of averages where we have various items listed in this horizontal bar here. It starts with a study plan which gives you the details of all the content that we have, followed by the step-by-step sequence that you can follow for effective learning. What comes next is a workbook. And now workbook is one of the most important artifacts of your preparation here, right? You can see that the workbook has got a collection of questions, right? You can also observe that some of these questions have got a video icon next to it. Now this video icon indicates that the questions here have been discussed through the videos, and those which do not have a video icon have to be solved by the candidate himself for checking his learning of the concept. Now what we have done here is that all the questions in this averages basic workbook have been segregated into various models. It starts with model 1, which is the concept of basic average, model 2 where we talk about weighted average, model 3 where we have to calculate the average of remaining group, and so on. Now this classification into various models helps you go in a step-by-step manner with increasing difficulty so that you can learn the whole topic effectively. Now all you have to do is download this workbook simply by hitting the download button here that you see on top, and then start looking at the videos one after the other. It starts with the introduction video, then we have video on model 1, model 2, model 3, and so on till the last model of this topic. Now you go through these models one after the other, or go through the videos one after the other, understand the concept there, right? These are all short videos, usually ranging from 8 to 12 minutes. You just play the video, you can watch it in full screen. In fact, you can also control the speed of the video depending on what is your comfort level. Now, once you have done watching the video from model 1, you can solve the unanswered questions from model 1 of the workbook, right? Those questions which do not have the video icon. And then go to model 2 and repeat the same process till you are done with all the models. So this will ensure that you have not only learned all the concepts through the videos, but also solved the unsolved questions from the workbook. And if you are able to solve all of them thoroughly, then properly, then you are done with the basics of the topic of average. What comes next in the sequence is a topic test. Now this topic test acts like a check for understanding, right? I mean, we have got 20 questions here, which are again all relevant to whatever you have learned from the topic of average. So now that you have gone through all the concepts, you can quickly solve these questions and see how ready are you with the concepts. What comes next in the sequence is the study note. Now this basically is a downloadable PDF again, which has got all the important formulae and concepts that you have learned through all these videos. The study note will act as a quick reference material when you're revising the concepts before your exam. And the last item in the sequence is the discussion forum, where you can, post your questions which you are unable to solve and help others answer their questions. So this is how you finish the basics of a particular topic using TalentSprint's exam prep portal. The same is followed in the various other sections of this particular platform. As you can see, we have another section here, advanced, which has got all the advanced questions like I've already mentioned. Here again, you will be able to download the workbook, right, which has got all the advanced questions, and solve it yourself. However, if you want to watch the video solutions, you will have to upgrade to the advanced coaching so that you can also get ready like exam toppers. All the videos of the advanced section and the and more section have been logged here. Likewise, when you want to watch a live session, you can just hit the live session button here on top of each of the course and watch the live class whenever it's happening. You can see that there's a chat box here which is used to interact with the trainers of TalentSprint during the live session. Let me now quickly take you through the various quick links that we have on the right hand side of this dashboard. So like I've explained, we have this link on practice tests, which will take you to all the practice tests available on this platform. So just click on that link, you are taken to the exampractice.talentsprint.com site, where we have daily tests for the upcoming exams and current affairs, right? Then we have subject level tests. You can just choose the subject that you want to test yourself on and start taking these subject level tests. Likewise, we have mock tests for various exam patterns, right? Like say SBI PO. So whatever tests are open for you can be accessed through this section, right? And then you can see that there are a lot of tests which are locked, but of course these are open when you upgrade to the advanced coaching. We also have previous papers of many of these exams, so you can just hit this particular section and go to the previous papers. And the last section, as you can see here, is on the all India mock exams, which are conducted on the weekends. And after the exam is over, on subsequent Mondays, you will get what is called a TR report, which is a performance report analyzed by our artificial intelligence bot, TIA. And it gives you personal study plans and feedback based on your performance so that you can improve your scores in the next all India mock exam. The other quick links that you see here are notifications, which gives you the details of all the recent notifications and the results that have been released. Then we have the events calendar, which gives you the details of all the upcoming events on the platform, right? So you can find out live classes, all India mock exams, and the live doubts clarification sessions, details which will be scheduled here. However, only the ones which are unlogged, as you can see, are open for free users. The logged ones are available only for the advanced coaching students. Next, we have a link on top performers, which gives you the details of the top performers in the last all India mock exam that was conducted with this course. We also have a link to the success stories of our students. You can just hit this and check out all the success stories, the recent ones. And last one here is the help center, which has got a lot of details about our platform and again, upcoming notifications and results. So you can just explore the help center and get answers to most of your technical and platform related questions. And last but not the least, what you see on the bottom right of the section here is the messenger icon, which can be used to chat with our team here and get answers to all the questions that you have. So you can see it will have all the older conversations that you have had with various team members and the notifications that Tia sends out from time to time. You can also start a new conversation whenever you have to ask something to any of our team members. And it will also have a section where you can find answers to your questions automatically just by typing in the right keyword or the question. So in simple words, TalentSprint's exam prep platform is the best choice that one can make for getting ready for various competitive exams. This platform will give you the convenience of preparing from the comfort of your home with expert videos, live classes, practice tests, Olney mock exams, TIA analytics, personalized feedback and recommendations, and of course, study plans for various exams so that you can maximize your preparation and boost your chances of selection. All the best for your preparation.